Okay, in this video we're going to talk about long division of polynomials. We're going to divide a polynomial by its factor. Now when we talk about division, we normally have a numerator divided by a denominator. So the top part we say it's a numerator. The bottom part is known as the denominator. So when these two are divided, we get a result. The result is known as the factor. Now when we are dealing with polynomial, we are going to divide a polynomial by a factor, and when we do that we get a result, and that result is known as the factor of that polynomial. So let us do one example. Example number 1, we have a factor x plus 1 and we have a polynomial x cubed plus 7x squared minus 3x minus 3. We have to divide this polynomial by this factor with the denominator, right? So how we are going to do this? We will first write all this again, x plus 1, and then everything inside the radical, 7x squared minus 3x minus 3, and then on the side we are going to write the factor, which is x plus 1, and then we need something to multiply to give x cubed. So what is going to go here to give me x cubed? X squared is going to go inside here, so x squared times x will give me x cubed, and x squared times 1 gives me x squared. Now this result we are going to put it here, x cubed plus x squared, and then everything we are going to subtract. Now this will go on top here, x squared. Now x cubed minus x cubed is nothing. 7 minus 1 is 6x squared. Now all of this is going to come down, so this will be minus 3x minus 3. Now let's move on to this one. You have your factor x plus 1. You need something to multiply with this factor to give me 6x squared. Now what is going to go here? It will be 6x. 6x multiplies with this, it gives 6x squared, and when 6x multiplies with 1 you get 6x. Now 6x squared will go here plus 6x, and then you're going to subtract them. Whatever you are multiplying will go on the top, 6x. Now when you subtract 6 minus 6 you get nothing. Minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9x, and this comes down, minus 3. Now move on to 9x. You have your factor x plus 1. Now you need minus 9x, so you need minus 9x. So what is going to go here? Minus 9. Minus 9 times x gives me minus 9x, and when this is multiplied you get minus 9. So minus 9 goes up here, and minus 9x comes here with minus 9. Subtract them again. Minus 9 minus minus 9 gives you nothing, and minus 3 minus minus 9 gives you a positive 6. Now there is no way this x plus 1 can go into 6, so our final answer here will be x squared. All of this is going to be our answer. So x squared plus 6x minus 9, and whatever we have our remainder here, we add it to this, plus 6 over our factor here, x plus 1. So this is our final answer. Let's do another example. This time you have x plus 5, and the polynomial you have is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 13x plus 10. So we're going to write this again, x plus 5, and your polynomial is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 13x plus 10. Now on the side you can write x plus 5, which is coming from here, and you need to multiply something to give you x cubed, this. So you can multiply x squared with x to give you x cubed, and when x squared multiplies with 5, it is 5x squared. Now this goes on the top, x squared, and all of this goes here, x cubed plus 5x squared. You're going to subtract the result. 1 minus 1 is nothing. 2 minus 5 is minus 3x squared, and all of this comes down, minus 13x plus 10. Now you need something to multiply with x plus 5 to give you minus 3x squared. So minus 3x is going to multiply with x to give me minus 3x squared, and when minus 3x multiplies with 5, it gives you minus 15x. Now minus 3x goes on top here, and minus 3x squared, all of this comes here, minus 15x. You're going to subtract this again. So minus 3 minus minus, you get nothing here. Minus 13 minus minus 15 is 2x. This 10 is going to come down again, plus 10. Now you need 2x. So your factor is x plus 5. You need something here to multiply with x plus 5 to give you 2x. So 2 multiplies with x gives me 2x, which can be put here again, and 2 multiplies with 5 gives me 10. This time we have the exact numbers, unlike example 1, we had negative 3 here and negative 9, but here we have exactly 10 with this one. So we have 2x plus 10, and when you subtract this you get nothing. So 2 goes on top here, plus 2. That means when this polynomial is divided by x plus 5, the remainder is x squared minus 3x plus 2. This is our remainder, and it came from here. All the results you are getting from here, let's put on top here, and then later on this is your answer. We call this the remainder. Or we call this factor. Two things